this miserable song on repeat. Cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, cause you don't take me seriously. What's there to repair if you don't wanna talk to me? You should know your time is up, I'm out, I'm done. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip, thought you knew me so much better.
It's Monday, that means another grocery haul. It's been a huge weekend for us here. We had one of my girlfriend's weddings. It was amazing. The wedding was so beautiful. The ceremony was amazing. It was a fabulous time. Also, Freddie graduated from puppy preschool, so we've had a lot going on, but I'm feeling a little bit under the weather because, I don't know, I've picked up like a cold or something, so I'm not feeling 100%. But anyway, we'll see how we go. Hopefully, hopefully the voice lasts and holds out for this video. So just quickly, we've got some oat milk, some pasta sauce, one of the new flavors of this coconut water that I love, passion fruit. I usually get the lychee, but I'm just going to try passion fruit for a change. Pano Clean concentrate. I usually put this in the washing machine and just use it as a disinfectant, and it's just super concentrate, so you don't have to have a big huge bottle. Some kidney beans, baked beans, some more pasta sauce, just some essential olive oil, some snacks here, raisin biscuit, I'm not sure what they are, we haven't had those before, some wraps for lunchboxes and pizzas, just some raw sugar because I want to do some baking of some Anzac biscuits. Maybe I'll include that in this video or in the next one. This is some dried like Turkish apricots, I think. Some sultanas because I put these in oats whenever I make oats, just to make it nice and sweet. Sweet and salty popcorn, it is the best. I love these. These are kind of veggie chips. They're not like chips, not like potato chips. They're really addictive. And then just some lunchbox snacks, some chicken noodle snack packs, and some original Pringles. I haven't really been buying a lot of bread lately, so I just wanted to try out this one, Ancient Grains. It's a bit better obviously than white bread. And then this is for my younger son Riley. He loves having raisin toast, and it's something that's really quick and easy to have for breakfast in the morning, so that's great. These brioche rolls, I just have these always on hand because they last so long compared to regular bread, and they can have these in their lunch boxes, or they just make a snack with them with Nutella on them, and they really love those. Oh, and these, my kids are obsessed with all these different flavors of Pringles, and this one was New York style cheeseburger flavor, so I thought that was a treat, and they were on special, I'm pretty sure. Just some little snack grissini sticks. These ones are great, rosemary and sea salt. We all love those. I have just got some Roma tomatoes. I need to be quick, otherwise Freddie will come and grab that on the floor. Here he comes, here he comes. I'm the thief. The thief in the night has come to steal something. Roma tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes, then just some assorted fruit and veg just for lunchbox snacks or for meal prepping. So we've got bananas, ginger, garlic, broccoli, some avocados. Yep, there he goes. He's got the box of snacks. Frederick, what are you doing? Mummy's trying to film this. Freddy bear. Oh my goodness. Freddy, you cannot eat that. You cannot eat that. You cannot eat that. I will get you a treat. I will get you a treat. And did you steal this out of the washing basket? You cheeky boy. There's a treat for you. Chew your rawhide stick. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, anyway, we've got some rocket and spinach. These are just staples that I buy every single week, and I make them into salads or green smoothies. Some lunchbox apples, some pink lady apples, onion, sweet potato, and then we've just got some coconut water that I use for smoothies, just some milk for the kids for cereal and stuff, lunchbox cheeses, Danish style feta, some beef that we're going to make some meal prep with, and then this stir-fry beef because my youngest son has asked for, I make like this kind of Korean stir-fry beef that he really likes, so I wanted to get that, and just some ham, pepperoni, and lunch type meats for the kids for their lunch boxes, and then some bacon because I'm going to make a quiche for one of the midweek meals, so just like a quiche Lorraine, so super simple. All right, so that's an overview of the grocery haul for today. I am going to pop this away and just start doing some basic food prep. So let's get started.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone, I got it, I gotta go, running to better times, go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone, I got it, I gotta go, running to better times, go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, running to better times, go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times. I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay forever?
Okay, so while I didn't do too much actual meal prepping on this Monday because I wasn't feeling 100%, all the meals were pretty simple and straightforward and quite easy to make and put together each night. So this was the Korean style beef strips that my son had requested. They're super easy, they're really quick, they take really minimal prep. I just marinate the beef strips in some soy sauce, garlic and ginger and leave it for as long as possible, and then literally just as you saw, stir fry it and serve it with some rice and some steamed broccoli. And this is a big hit with the kids. Super healthy, super easy midweek meal.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
Oh, the beast has taken me down. And the beast takes him down once again.
You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. shouldn't change, shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.